Hey guys, good morning. It's August 1 here in Texas. Sobrang aga namin nagising, 6:30 in the morning kasi alis kami today. Pupunta kami Brian Lake. In-invite kami ni Ate Marilyn from the church ba. Yung na-meet ko sa church na Pinay. And she said we will be going to the lake today para makapag-banding naman. So yung asawa ko tulog pa. Namin isasama si Belle. So ipipick up kami natin Marilyn dito. And then mamaya, yung asawa ko pwede na kami sunduin mamaya. Sobrang init kaya sabi ko sa kanya kasi nag-chat siya kahapon kung gusto ko ba daw. Sabi ko why not kasi nagpunta kaming lake for walking lang kami ng asawa ko pero like doing something else no. Kasi doon ako nag-practice mag-drive. So, yun lang yung ginagawa namin. But then we never like stop by, stay, and do something like water activities. Kasi meron silang mga water activities doon na pwedeng gawin. Pwede ka mag-kayak, pwede ka mag-jet ski. Kung meron kang jet ski, of course. Pwede mag-fishing kung meron kang fishing rod whatsoever. But since yung classes nila will start 2 weeks, Nicole, is it 2 weeks? Your school? So, they will be back to school again in 2 weeks, guys. So, wala na kaming time to do things. And then, yung asawa ko, guys, super busy. Busy. Like, everything. Documents, paper thing. Sa akin, sa kids, sa mom niya. So, grabe yung kanyang load of work that he needs to do. And he is also enrolling himself to go back to school. Yes, my husband will be going back to school. Gusto niyang i-finish yung kanyang nasimulan because he started like studying in college when he was still in Guam. That was during pandemic, so online pa yun, guys. And he finished, I think 2 years ba yun? 2 years ba yung na-finish niya? Or ilang units pa yun? But yeah, he needs to finish it. So he decided na maybe this is the right time to do it. So yun, dami niyang mga phone calls na nire-receive. I think Marilyn is outside, maybe. Kita niyo yung eye bags ko. Ilang 6:30 ako nagising, diba? Wala ako masyado tulog kagabi. Is bumili akong aloe vera. Tingnan niyo, nakita ko to sa Lowe's. Sa Lowe's ko ba ito? Yes, sa Lowe's ko nakita. $5. Sabi ko, magkaka-aloe vera ako. I want aloe vera in my house. Ganyan. Pwede siyang like pang-display na plant, but at the same time, this is very, very, very useful. Mga sugat-sugat, like sa hair and everything. And I wanted to have one because gusto ko magparami ng ganito. Ay, nakasulod mo nilangaw. And by the way, ito yung rose. Hindi ko alam kung mabubuhay talaga tong rose na to. Ito yung Star of the Republic rose na binili ko sa College Station from Miss Phone. So rotted, pero hindi pa siya masyadong rotted. Pero sinabi naman niya sa akin, pag namatay daw ito, papalitan niya. So, which is fine to me. Then, meron ako mga cutting dito na propagate na roses. Then, this one is like yung yellow na rose. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan. Binili ko lang yun sa Sam's na rose. And then, this one naman, ito yung rose sa Sam's din. Then, it was double red. Hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan. Ito naman, kinat ko pala yung aking rubber plant. So, I'm trying to propagate this one. Di ko alam kung mag-work to, guys. Mag-roots daw siya sa water. Pinapalitan ko to like every 2 days yung tubig. Lagay lang natin siya dyan. Tingnan nyo itong mga ginagawa ko, guys. This one, ito pinakita ko na to sa vlog last time. Ito yung Little Hottie Hydrangea. This thrive in our area. We are in Texas Zone 9. So, lagyan ko siya ng payong because again, sobrang harsh ng init dito. Like as in, taman dun sa bukog ang yang kainit. So I have to make sure na it's protected from the heat of the sun. At least, kahit sobrang humid, at least meron siyang protection. Which I think healthy naman siya, guys. Like, wala pa siyang bulaklak. But, I'm sure, I'm so excited to see. White yung kanyang flower and mag-change into pink. And ito naman, yung zinnia ko dyan, oh. Alive na alive. Marami na akong buds sa aking flower. Ito naman yung roses natin na blue girl. Ito yung blue girl na roses na may pagka-pink. Tingnan niyo yung kulay. Maganda, 'di ba? Super nice. Oh, pero nasunog talaga. Sobrang init po talaga dito, guys. Oh. Yan, shrub siya pero parang nag-climbing, no? Pero maraming pa bulaklak na naman. But yeah, ito lang. Meron akong bird bath dito, hindi naman nila ginamit. Bird bath. Temporary. Kasi bibili ako ng dalawahan na bird bath and feeder. Mahal kasi. So, yan muna. And then, ito yung ating other side of flower there. Yan. Pinayungan ko na nga, guys, kasi sobrang init. Hibiscus naman yan. Tinanim ko dyan. So, dito meron tayong salvia. Andito yung aking bird feeder na hindi naman kinainan ng mga bird. Hindi ko alam bakit. And then, meron akong plant doon. Gusto ko talaga, like, all over here. I-plant ko yan. Diyan, 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 diyan. Ililibot ko yung plants. And I was like, planning on collecting like different variety of roses. I have 9 already. So, hopefully, we can collect so many roses. Kasi may nakita akong video na na-inspired ako. And I was like, yeah, I wanna be a rose garden lady. Rose garden lady. Ito naman, here. Tinakapan ko lang to. Ilagay ko yung chair kasi kinakaver ko to. Kasi kakaplant ko lang yan. Hindi ko alam kung mabubuhay yan, guys. So, nag-yellow naman gani. Here naman, ito yung other roses from Sam's. Kasama nung blue girl. Yan, oh, hindi ko na alam kung anong pangalan nito. I forgot. Pero meron ako sa camera, sa cellphone. Yan, oh, super nice ng color nito. Orange with white something. Ganda yan, hybrid tea. Shrub. Meron akong tinanim dyan na mga bougainvillea yan. And then, hindi ko pa kasi siya talaga na-arrange properly. Kasi ang hirap po pag nag-start ka mag-plant. Like yung kaka-start mo lang kasi sobrang liliit pa ng mga flower and plants, and ayokong i-cover ng bato. Sabi ng asawa ko, i-cover ng bato, wag muna. Kasi maliliit pa kasi, guys. Pag fully established na, pwede ko na i-cover ng bato yan. Pero as of now, ganyan muna. Ito naman yung ating climbing rose na marami ng roses. There you go. O, see? Lagyan ko yan ng pangpataba, pang-bloom. Pero yun nga, guys. O, kasi sobrang init. O, tara na o. Patay yung kanyang flower. We are here. Setting up.
Diyan ka iihi.
Uy, sabi ng asawa ko, pwede naman dyan. Tubig, malaki. Oh, buyak! Kahiya. Who's gonna?
I even just do it.
Oy, don't reveal what you did in the river.
I don't need
May pindutin ba din? Sunscreen for the face in my bag. Look for like the Alban under.
Wait, no. So, yung manugang ko is very white.
Oh yeah. Ay, New Zealand pala, di ba? Sila? Yung husband mo New Zealand? Or I thought akala ko talaga from New Zealand yung asawa mo kasi parang naririnig ko like Kiwi like American pala talaga siya.
Yes.
He
grew up, he was born in Alabama, grew up in Georgia.
Yeah, that one. You don't need a lot. Actually, I was once said to myself, I wanna be white. That's because in the Philippines, diba, like, it's like standard. I tried once na yung drip ba? Like, tusok.
Yeah.
Like, pa-drift para maputi. All over. Himatay. I was like, never again. Nahimatay ako like, okay, wag na lang pilitin.
Right? They like this color. I want to be white. You want to be white. Parang sa Pilipinas.
White ka na, Nicole. You don't need. You're not dark. You're actually light complexion. Ganihan akong hinawid. Ano mo yun ang hinawid? Yeah, mamaya pa yung ano guys, meron tent dito pero hindi namin ma-install. Yung asawa daw ni Ate Marilyn papunta dito para i-install yun. Go na, hindi man ko makaligo kay gidogs man ko. Go Yashley.
No.
Sige, bring this one. You want? It's okay. Oh, it's gonna float. Oh, here. Sige.
Dali. No, si ate.
Go na. Nicole, come on.
No. No. No.
Sige na. Come on. Come on, bring this.
Huh?
Go, bring this.
Si ate.
Hurry na, Nicole. Yashley. Wow. It's their first time to be in the water. Here. No, here ba? Okay, we've been here but you didn't try. Come on na. Go try. Huh? Go try. Yeah, it's gonna float. Ah, it's like a chair.
Ow.
Ah, that's nice. Artiki ka. It's so cold. It's so cold. Sige, sit down daw. If it's not cold. Pag float na si Ashley. Gwapa ko gidugo ron. Ay, apil na ko dira. Dira ako mag-watch over you guys. It's floating, right? Gusto kong bumalik dito guys. Next time we will be, kasi wala pa kaming floaters, we don't have that. So siguro, because I've seen the kids are enjoying the water right now, I think we better buy our floater next time. So like the four of us, Belle and I, can come here with the kids. I'm gonna write a message to my husband. He's still asleep when we left, just letting him know that we are here in the lake. Kids are enjoying a, you know what, this one is food, and I ordered food. Nagpa-over ako ng food guys early morning kanina, 6:40 in the morning. Nagpa-over ako ng food, and I was like thinking of buying pizza but there is no available pizza pizza place early morning. So sa Shirley's na lang ako bumili ng food, and they have donut, they have this kalachi, apple fritter, and then hindi ko lang isa, but yeah, I got it. So nice kasi first time ko kasi mag-order sa Uber food, and I got like I think 25 ba yun? $25 off from my first order. So it was so nice kasi ito, this one is like 30 something, 38, but I only paid for like 21 including a tip. So it's so nice. It's really nice.
Wait,
They are eating, nagutom. What do you have, Nicole? Ay, what? Wala sila padala og ano. I have tissue here. Wow, this is what you like, 'di ba? Ito din yung gusto ko. So like early morning, 8, mga 8 to 9 or 8 to 10, okay pa dito, guys. Malamig yung hangin, sobrang lamig. So this is really good. Really good time. I didn't think about this before. So dapat pala pag mga 8, punta kami dito 8. Next time punta tayo dito with Daddy. Or maybe your grandma will come over here too.
You don't trust it?
She can come here as well. Maganda dito, oh. Kasi kahit like may sun na ba, malamig pa rin yung hangin. Pero maya-maya guys, mga 10, 30 siguro, 11. Sobrang init na. How was it? Good? From Shipley's. Actually, yung favorite na donut ko talaga is Stella's. Kaso, hindi sila bukas. Shipley's lang meron. Meron dyan, naka-tent na rin sila, guys. Meron silang 2 dog. So, I was like thinking na, hala, sana dinala namin si Kali. Mag-swim kaya si Kali dito. Lazy yung aming dog, guys. Lazy. Tamad yun. Tamad yun maligo. Very cool. Ah, nice pala dito talaga. Uy, babalik talaga. Next time, you know what? Next time, we will bring some meat and we can have some barbecue out there. Kailangan lang natin ng tent. Kailangan natin ng picnic mat. Ano pa? Meron na tayong foldable na table, sabi ni Daddy. Meron na kaming chair din na ganito. Yung nagpunta kaming like 4th of July last year, bumili kami doon sa Walmart ata. Yeah. Bumili kami sa Walmart. Tag-iisa kami, like 4 yun. So, ang kulang na lang is floater, picnic mat, and then tent. Kasi meron ng fishing rod yung asawa ko. So, it's good. You know what? Gusto ko talaga mag-swim dito. Parang ka lang ding nasa beach, right? Pero wala lang sand. Pero ano lang to, guys, lake. Sobrang laki ng lake na to. So parang kung isipin mo, parang dagat na rin siya, guys, kasi tingnan niyo may waves. Like meron din siya waves. Oh, see? Wow. Balance your feet. Just like, try it, Yash. No, you will learn. You will learn. You wanna like float?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, competitive from si Ashley. She doesn't know. We are home, guys. Sorry. What am I going to open the door? Not working this time, Ashley.
She's like, no, you can't trick me.
Like, you cannot trick me. I smell you, Ashley, that you were there. I knew it. I knew it. What's your hairstyle?
I don't know.
How was the swimming? Ang bilis nag-board. Like, I think wala pang ang isang oras. I'm done.
It was 1 hour.
It was 1 hour for you because you're swimming more. Sobrang itim ko na talaga. Guys, ako lang yung Pinay na uuwi ng Pilipinas in the future na same pa rin yung kulay, itim, brown. Hindi talaga tayo puputi talaga sa States. Huwag kayong mag-expect ng mga tao na pupunta dito sa States na puputi sila when they get back sa Pinas. Okay? Same color. Nabudol na naman ako, guys. Nakatulog ako. I had a nap. It's like 2:47 in the afternoon. Nabuksan ko na siya. May parcel akong natanggap, guys. From Shein. Bumili ako. Meron kasi nakasale. Budol tayo sa sale. This is not expensive naman. It's cheap. Nakita ko lang siya. And then nagandahan ako ba. Like, that looks nice. Yan, mura lang to, I think. Magkano ba to? Mura lang talaga to, I think 7 or 8. Ito yung like, usong-uso na bag na parang buho. Ano ba tawag ito? Like, for example, pag lalagyan ko siya ng something. Maganda kasi ito, guys. Meron kasi akong white outfit dito and I don't have a white bag. So, sabi ko, gusto kong bumili. Well, actually, this one is not white. This one is not white. It's actually apricot color. I'm not sure. Paano ba makita dyan? Parang white mo, tingnan. But it looks like this. Oh, see? Very nice. May pabuhol siya rito, oh. Sa Shein siya. If you wanted to know about this one, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a link. Pero sa Shein ko siya nabili. This one. Very, very cute. Wala pa siyang laman. That's why it looks like that. And then, bumili ako nito. Kasi cheap siya. Actually, this one is pang chicken to eh. Pero meron kasi akong flower na may katay ba? Meron akong flower na ang tawag nito vine. Hindi ko na maalala yung pangalan. So, I was like, this one is like $5, I think. So, sabi ko, bilhin ko na yan. Kasi sobrang mahal sa Lowe's. Bumili ng pang trellis ng flower. And ito, $5 lang. Sabi ko, gagamitin ko yan. Hindi ko alam kung how long this is. Sabi, 35 by 200. So, mahaba na rin. So, marami na rin ako magagamit sa ganito. Let's see kung this will really work na gustong-gusto ko gamitin. And bumili din pala ako ng bagong pants. Kasi guys, wala akong masyadong pants. Actually, meron naman. Pero, I was like thinking of buying myself like more like loose pants para makapagsuot ako ng crop top. Anyway, this one, naka-extra small na nga to, pero parang malaki siya konti sa akin. Very light lang naman, so it can fix. I'll just wear belt. This one is gray. It's so nice. This is the problem with with Filipina. Yung size ng pants na to, guys, mahaba siya sa akin. Like, I need to wear heels para magiging okay. But if I'm wearing shoes lang, mahaba talaga siya sa akin. But then, it's fine. Love this one. Anyway, yun lang naman. Oh, gumising lang talaga ako para ipakita sa inyo yung, I don't know, dumating. I was like thinking, no? Maybe I should like call my OBGYN kasi I'm a little bit worried. Hindi ko alam kung. So, this is for girls only. Usually, yung normal na mens ko is like maximum 4 days. Apparently, after the procedure or after the surgery that I had, like this month, ngayon, nag-over ako 1 week. I mean, I think, yeah, it's 1 week now. So, it feels like weird because even before, hindi ako tumagal ng 1 week when it comes to mens. So, parang yung asawa ko told me na tawagan mo na yung OBGYN. But, I feel like, okay, you know what? If mag-exceed talaga siya, like, tomorrow, Sunday, still the same, yeah, this is really alarming. So, I will really have to go and see her. Kasi, parang, mali na talaga to. Parang iba na talaga to, guys. But I'm trying to, like, make sure that I really drink water. Kasi, parang, I need more water kasi nakaka-dehydrate. Using this, beautiful, still with me. Mom Joris gave me. Kanina umalis kami, yung bag na dala ko pala is this one. Hindi ko pa na-fix. Kasi guys, pagdating ko dito, I just like make my husband coffee and then talk to the girls. And went here and just nap. Ito din yung gamit ko na bag kanina. From Mom Joris din to, guys. Hindi ko to nagamit. I think, no, I just used this twice nang nagpunta kaming HEB and then today. This is super, 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 super nice talaga na bag. Ultimate kasi it's not just an ordinary parang kung sa iba like eco bag. But this is actually not big, not small bag. Can carry everything you need if you go outing. I mean, if you go out with kids. So, multi-purpose bag siya. Maganda siya. And super sturdy niya talaga. I love it. Gamit. Yeah. Dami kong dala kanina. Hindi ko lang na-vlog ng maayos kasi nagmamadali ka. But, yeah. Anyway, I'm still sleepy, by the way. Wala akong mayos na tulog kagabi. And I need to go out kasi just need to go out. I have to charge this camera. Kalubat ko na. And I don't know where my charger is.